They are brilliant, hardworking, efficient, a group of competent individuals who transform black and white into living glorious technicolor. They are public sector workers, the engine of government, developing the policies and executing the programs to keep the country running. Civil servants are on a mission to deliver quality service to all stakeholders, among them Enthros Campbell, Director of Production at the Jamaica Information Service, the 2013 Civil Servant of the Year. Ms. Campbell, you started in '95 as radio editor. What were some of your duties?
Well, I came in as you say, editor. I had to edit the scripts of the producers, but I also had my own beats. I had three ministers, Minister Paulwell, Agriculture Minister, and I had the Prime Minister. And I had to train the producers because, you know, editing is not about just grammar and correctness, but also as it relates to content, ensure that we have the right figures. If the minister says 2 million, we don't have 2 billion and so on.
Having performed well in the position of radio editor, Ms. Campbell was promoted to the position of senior copy editor and later senior editor at the television department. The growth process continued in 2000 when she was asked to serve as the manager for the radio department. By then, her velvet voice was penetrating the airwaves.
Coming up, Water Ministry adopts zero tolerance approach towards excessive use of water during dry period.
I grew up listening to you on the radio when you had the Voice of Jamaica coming out with JIS programs. And when persons hear you on location, if they meet you in person, if you just say your name, they immediately recognize the voice.
To me, sometimes I'm surprised. I don't know, sometimes I'm really surprised, but sometimes it just motivates you and you say, boy, you know, you really are doing something good because people know of you, and it's a good feeling.
Since 2009, this hard-working civil servant has been serving as Director of Production at the JIS.
As Director of Production, I have direct responsibility for computer services, television, and radio.
She is also chairperson for the JIS's production meeting, where she ensures that the production arms of the agency disseminate information in a structured way.
Okay, morning everyone, and welcome again to another production meeting. Today we're going to be focused on the visit of the head of the IMF. As you know, she's visiting next week.
Well, as you instructed, we have already put a plan in place to do stories while the visit unfolds.
Enthros Campbell also represents the JIS on an interministerial committee organized by the Office of the Prime Minister. There, she coordinates all media activities for national events as well as state and official visits and funerals.
I coordinate on behalf of the agencies. I represent the agency on the interministerial committee, so I have to ensure that media is happy and that government is happy with how media operates.
She has the expertise, and JIS is always a very important component because we want media coverage, both internationally and locally. And so she either would coordinate the international press as well as the local press, accredit them and manage them.
Enthros is the calming individual on any committee. Enthros is not ruffled. She's quiet but effective and very professional.
Ms. Campbell was also chairman of the JIS's planning committee, which spearheaded the development of the award-winning photo album commemorating Jamaica's 50th anniversary of independence. The publication received the Bronze Award in the prestigious Mercury competition, beating out over 600 entries from 21 countries. The Chief Executive Officer of the JIS also presented her and the team with an Innovation Award for the publication. Ms. Campbell again struck gold when she and the Planning Committee conceptualized the annual JIS Heritage Essay Competition in 2011. Ms. Campbell, you are, should I say, multifaceted, because your job or what you do is not just limited to things you do here at the JIS. You're also una profesora de español. Tell us about it.
Yes, I teach Spanish. I'm a trained Spanish teacher, and while I'm here at the JIS, I still teach like on a Saturday. I teach at 9 on a Saturday, and I help students who are doing exams. Yo trabajo.
In February 1998, Ms. Campbell was an interpreter for journalists covering the visit of Fidel Castro to Jamaica, and 1 year later, she again provided her services at the G15 summit. appropriate duties for the remarkable civil servant who completed a Bachelor of Arts in Spanish as well as a Master of Arts in Spanish Translation at the University of the West Indies. She also studied in Spain, Colombia, and Venezuela. Ms. Campbell's tour of duty would be incomplete had she not participated in outreach activities. She met as a child at the Mount Olivet Boys Home in Manchester, a childcare facility adopted by the JIS in 2009. And as an active member of the Kingston Open Bible Church, she teaches a Sunday school class and organizes Vacation Bible School for the children. For her hard work in the public sector, first as a teacher and then a media practitioner, Ms. Campbell received extra special recognition in 2013.
Our Civil Servant of the Year 2013 enters Angela Campbell.
When I got the award, I was like, I was surprised because the people who were with me, the other nominees, they were really well-respected civil servants who've been in the job for a while.
When we, reviewed the work, we also thought of her character and what she brings to the position. She inspires, she is, as I said, reliable. You ask her to get something done, she follows through. She communicates well, and she's just a good team member. She's a part of my dream team. Enthros is a shining example of hard work and dedication to national development. And we wanted to put her on a bigger stage. Yes, she's here at the GIS. She's associated with the brand. You hear her on radio. You see her occasionally on TV. But we wanted the public to know that these are the people who serve the nation in the public sector.
What would you say to civil servants? Some of them may feel a little dejected from time to time based on the current circumstances. What would be your advice to them?
Bloom where you're planted. You're here now, you don't know where you're gonna go, but if you want to move to somewhere else, you just have to be the best here. Because if you don't do well, nobody's gonna see you and he will recommend you.
What about your vision for the civil service?
I want them to get better pay, of course. I want them to be paid better. But I also want them to be more professional. I mean, all round. I know there are lots of professionals in the civil service. The worldview about civil servants is that they are just not good. I want that to change.
Enthros Campbell, Director of Production at the Jamaica Information Service, Civil Servant of the Year 2013, transforming and renewing for a better tomorrow.
Perfect.